Meet Donatello. She's a sweet, playful girl with a reserved nature. At first, she may take a little time to warm up and might not approach you right away, but don't worry. Once she feels comfortable, her full, charming personality shines through. Donatello is full of love and fun once she trusts you, always ready for playtime and cuddles. If you're patient and give her the time she needs, you'll be rewarded with a loyal companion who loves to be by your side. She's looking for a gentle, understanding home where she can relax and show off all the affection she has to offer.